Want an AI that's lightning fast on your phone? Google just launched Gemini 2.5 Flash today, a lighter, speedier AI model built for mobile. It's trending for powering Google Assistant and real-time photo analysis on Pixel 9. Stick around to see why X users are buzzing about this game changer. What's up, Tech Squad? Welcome back to GadInsider. Google's shaking things up with AI with Gemini 2.5 Flash, a new model launched today that's all about speed and mobile vibes. Optimized for devices like the Pixel 9 series, it's making waves for low-latency tasks like Google Assistant and photo analysis. Experts are hyping its seamless integration, so let's dive into why this AI is a big deal. So, what's Gemini 2.5 Flash? It's a leaner, faster version of Google's AI, designed for mobile devices and high-volume tasks. Think real-time summarization, customer service bots, or photo analysis on your Pixel 9, all with super low latency. It's got dynamic thinking, meaning it adjusts reasoning based on task complexity, so simple queries zip by, while tougher ones get extra brain power without slowing down. Sources are calling it a workhorse model, ideal for apps like Google Assistant, where powers snappy responses and hands-free tasks. On the Pixel 9 series, it shines with real-time photo analysis. Snap a picture, and Gemini identifies objects or transcribes text instantly, like menus or signs. With a 1 million token context window, it handles huge data sets, and it's available now via Google AI Studio and Vertex AI for developers, with Gemini app access and preview. Plus, it's energy efficient, boosting battery life on mobiles. Why is this trending? X users are raving about its low latency for near real-time tasks, saying it's a leap from Gemini 2.0 Flash. It's integrated into the Pixel 9 series, powering Google Assistant for smoother voice commands and Pixel screenshots for pulling details from images instantly. Compared to rivals like OpenAI's O3 Mini, Gemini 2.5 Flash offers adjustable thinking budgets, letting developers tweak speed versus depth, a big win for apps needing scale. It supports 30+ languages and multimodal inputs like text and images, making it global ready. While it's lighter than Gemini 2.5 Pro, it still outpaces Gemini 1.5 Flash on benchmarks like math and code. For students, creators, or anyone with a Pixel 9, this means faster, smarter AI right in your pocket. Alright, let's get you in on this. Picture Gemini 2.5 Flash on your Pixel 9. What's your vibe? Analyzing a menu in real time on a trip? Summarizing a lecture instantly? Or rocking hands-free assistant for quick tasks? Drop your dream Gemini moment in the comments.